Hey guys, I've been getting a few questions about my gel DIY manicure, so I figured since I'm going to touch up my manicure right now because I have to go somewhere tomorrow, I would show you how I do it using this as an example. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going to show you what I use. Basically, this came with the gel kit that I got this UV lamp with, and I will link it below the video. And this, I should be really using a buffer, but my buffer got worn out, so I need to order a new one. And when I'm done with my gel manicure and pedicure, I always add some Dazzle Dry Mani Pedi Nail and Cuticle Oil. And I do this because every video that I've watched before starting to do gel manicure and pedicure always recommend that I use a good nail and cuticle oil. So I'm not sure what it really does, I can't remember, but if you look up videos, you can definitely find that. Brand that I use for my gel manicures and pedicures is Chiarosky. I really like this brand. I can't say that I've tried another brand, but I read a lot of different reviews, and this one's highly recommended. And this is also what they used to use at the salon I went to, and it always lasted me a long time. I can tell you that my manicures last up to 3 weeks the most. And I really am happy with this so far. So I have the base coat, the ultimate base coat, and I have the non-wipe top coat. I bought these on Amazon. I think this one was a little pricey. It was hard to find. It was about $15, maybe 16, and then this one was about 13. But then I started ordering from their website. I think their prices are really reasonable. I think they go for about $12 for gel polishes. And the color that I'm going to use to touch up my manicure is this Dream of Paradise color, and it's a really nice classic red. I just really like the color. It's perfect for summer. It's perfect for when you want to paint your nails red. And in my collection, I always want to have a red color, nude, white, black. I'm not really into like lots of bold colors, stuff like that, but I do buy them for my daughter. So the first thing I'm going to do, which is going to be hard to film, is buff my nail. Actually, I'm going to wipe it really quick with nail polish remover. You need to do that before you start your gel manicure. And then I'm going to buff it, and then I will be adding the base coat. Okay, so you want to make sure that you don't put too much polish onto the brush, and then you want to just be really smooth and make sure that the whole nail is covered, but you don't want to cover the skin. So that will ensure your polish to stay on, and then you're going to cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, so now we're going to add the color. And same thing with the base and top coat, I'm going to say the same thing. You just want to be really careful and not apply too much. And if you have to, you can do 3 coats. But with the red, I noticed when I did my nails originally, I didn't need that many coats. So 2 will be good. Okay, so now that we applied 2 coats, the last thing we're going to apply is the non-wipe top coat, and I am done. And same thing, you want to make sure that you don't have a ton of polish, and also make sure that it does not get on your skin. If it does, you should wipe it off immediately, because once it dries, it's kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not a good thing. It will be kind of like stuck to your skin sort of thing, and you'll have to file it, and it doesn't look so nice. So now that I'm done, I'm going to add a tiny drop of the cuticle oil and rub that around. And that's it. I am done touching up my nail. I hope that was helpful if you are trying to do your own gel manicure, I highly recommend it. It's so worth it, and you will save a lot in the long run. So that's how you do a gel manicure. Well, that's how you touch up, and it's basically the same thing per nail. And I hope this video helped you out. For anyone that had questions on how to do the gel manicure yourself at home, I highly recommend it. So worth it. It's the best thing that I invested in. I always hated sitting in the nail salon just waiting to be seen, and I always felt like it was such a waste of time for me to take time out of my day just to go get my nails done. Being an introvert especially, now I could just sit at home, put on something on Netflix on the iPad and do my nails. It takes me like 30 minutes. If I do my feet too, it's maybe like an hour, and I don't have to leave the house or spend a bunch of money every time, because every time would usually be maybe $50 and up plus tip. So, and then if my daughter wanted her nails done, so I am saving a pretty penny. I will link all the products below. I will link the UV lamp and everything. You can find everything in my Amazon shop. Yes, they are affiliate links, but I really get peanuts for that. So if you do buy it through my affiliate links, thank you for that. Every little bit helps. And I'm not making anything off of this video. Everything that I bought myself. I do buy the polishes directly now from Chiarosky, so I don't have affiliate links for that. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.